Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am sharing the recipe for one of the traditional dishes of Gilgit-Baltistan, often enjoyed for breakfast. This dish is like a cake, but without sugar, as we use a pinch of salt instead. You can enjoy it with butter. Stay connected to watch this recipe in Urdu language, as the link is also shared in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share my recipe. Let's begin the recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of yeast in a half glass of water and let it to rise. Add 2 bowls of flour into a dough maker. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, the yeast mixture, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of milk. Mix the ingredients well. Add remaining milk or water if required to make a soft dough. Let the dough rise. Place the dough in a bowl and cover it with a wrapping sheet. Let it for at least 2 to 3 hours. After the dough has risen, first oil the tray. Roll it out the dough according to the shape of your tray. Place the rolled dough in the oiled tray. Cover it and bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes. The traditional dish, named chapati or fidi, is ready to serve with tea and butter. Enjoy it with your family. Hope you like my recipe. Make it at your home and let us know what you liked most. Thanks for watching.